Trigger warning. This content includes discussions of sensitive topics, including allegations of sexual misconduct. Viewer discretion is advised. What happens when two powerful figures clash in the public eye over allegations that shake the entertainment world to its core? Today, we delve deep into the ongoing legal battle involving Jay-Z, one of the biggest names in music, and high-profile attorney Tony Buzbee. This case, filled with accusations, denials, and public outcry, has captured headlines across the globe. Stay tuned as we unpack every detail of this complex story, explore the motivations behind the scenes, and analyze the broader societal implications. Before we dive deeper into this compelling case, take a moment to support this channel by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us bring you thorough and balanced analyses of today's most significant stories. Let's build a community that values informed discussions and respectful dialogue. In December 2024, a lawsuit was filed that sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry. A plaintiff, identified as Jane Doe, accused Sean Jay-Z Carter and Sean Diddy Combs of sexually assaulting her at an after-party following the 2000 MTV Video Music Awards. Attorney Tony Buzbee, known for representing clients in high-profile cases, took on her case. Jay-Z, however, denies these allegations, calling them an extortion attempt orchestrated by Buzbee. The ensuing legal and public relations battle has opened up a complex narrative that we'll dissect in this video, exploring not only the claims, but also the cultural and legal frameworks surrounding this controversy. The allegations. According to the lawsuit, Jane Doe alleges that as a 13-year-old attending an exclusive after-party, she was given a drink that made her feel disoriented. She claims she was then assaulted by Jay-Z and Diddy. These allegations, though shocking, come decades after the alleged events, raising questions about timing, evidence, and the potential impact of memory on such cases. The plaintiff asserts that she has carried the trauma for years, but critics question the delay in filing the lawsuit, pointing to potential legal and procedural hurdles. Who is Tony Buzbee? Tony Buzbee is no stranger to high-stakes legal battles. Based in Houston, Texas, Buzbee has built a reputation as a formidable attorney representing clients in cases ranging from corporate lawsuits to personal injury claims. Known for his bold courtroom demeanor, Buzbee's involvement in this case has amplified its media coverage. Over the years, he has taken on cases that have garnered significant attention, often positioning himself as a champion for the underdog, a reputation that makes his involvement in this lawsuit even more polarizing. Jay-Z's stance. Jay-Z, a billionaire entrepreneur and artist, has categorically denied the allegations. In a statement, he described the claims as idiotic and heinous, emphasizing that he's unwilling to settle. His legal team has painted the lawsuit as an extortion attempt aimed at exploiting his wealth and reputation. Jay-Z's response highlights the challenges faced by public figures as he attempts to navigate the dual pressures of a legal defense and maintaining his public image. Birds of a feather. There's an old saying, birds of a feather flock together. In the world of fame and power, alliances often form based on shared experiences, values, or mutual gain. This case brings to mind the patterns we've seen time and again, where those in positions of influence are drawn into similar controversies or allegations. The connections between high-profile figures, whether by association or direct involvement, can sometimes amplify scrutiny, even if they themselves are not at fault. This raises questions about accountability, the circles we keep, and the role of personal judgment in navigating these treacherous waters. The filing. The civil lawsuit was filed in a New York court invoking the Adult Survivors Act, which temporarily lifts the statute of limitations for sexual assault cases. This act has enabled numerous individuals to come forward with historical allegations, giving rise to debates over its implications for justice and due process. Legal analysts have noted that while the act aims to empower survivors, it also places defendants in a position where defending against decades-old allegations can be inherently challenging. Demands for confidential mediation. Buzbee's initial approach to Jay-Z reportedly included a request for confidential mediation, a common legal tactic to resolve disputes out of court. Jay-Z's camp, however, has interpreted this as a veiled demand for money fueling their claims of extortion. Confidential mediation often provides an opportunity for resolution without the glare of public scrutiny, but in this case, it has added another layer of complexity and mistrust. Motion to reveal identity. One contentious aspect of the case is Jay-Z's legal team's motion to reveal the plaintiff's identity. They argue that anonymity prevents a fair defense, especially when allegations lack substantial evidence. Critics of this motion have pointed out that revealing the plaintiff's identity could expose her to harassment and further trauma, a concern that underscores the delicate balance courts must maintain in such cases. Tony Buzbee's counterarguments. In response, Buzbee has argued that maintaining Jane Doe's anonymity is crucial for her safety and privacy. He also alleges that Jay-Z's legal team's tactics are designed to intimidate his client and deter others from coming forward. Buzbee's defense strategy emphasizes the importance of protecting survivors in a legal system that often places the burden of proof disproportionately on them. Jay-Z's public reaction. Jay-Z's public statements have been bold and direct. He has called out the media for sensationalizing the allegations and has reiterated his commitment to clearing his name. His social media posts reflect a mix of frustration and determination as he maintains his innocence. Through interviews and public appearances, Jay-Z has sought to control the narrative, framing the lawsuit as an attack on his character and achievements. While filming this video, we couldn't help but notice a car passing by, blasting Jay-Z's iconic song, It's a Hard Knock Life. Was this a mere coincidence or a statement on the resilience he's known for projecting? Tony Buzbee's media strategy. Buzbee, on the other hand, has used media platforms to spotlight his client's story. In interviews, he's accused Jay-Z of using wealth and influence to silence victims. This approach has kept the case in the public eye, ensuring widespread discussion. By leveraging media coverage, Buzbee has drawn attention not only to this specific case, but also to broader issues of accountability and power dynamics in the entertainment industry. Jay-Z has spoken about the toll this case has taken on his family. As a father, he expressed the pain of having to discuss such allegations with his children. He lamented the loss of innocence for his family, adding a personal dimension to his legal battle. The public nature of the case has also led to increased scrutiny of his personal life, creating challenges for his wife, Beyoncé, and their children. Through Buzbee, Jane Doe has described the emotional difficulty of coming forward. She's emphasized her intent to seek justice, not monetary compensation, countering Jay-Z's extortion claims. Her account sheds light on the complexities faced by survivors of sexual assault, particularly when accusing influential figures. This case highlights the complexities of addressing historical sexual assault allegations. While the Adult Survivors Act provides an avenue for victims to seek justice, it also poses challenges for defendants, particularly regarding evidence and witnesses. Legal scholars have debated the merits and drawbacks of such legislation, noting its potential to empower survivors while raising questions about fairness and due process. Support for Jay-Z. Many fans and public figures have rallied behind Jay-Z, emphasizing his philanthropic efforts and questioning the motives behind the lawsuit. Hashtags like "or Justice for Jay-Z" have trended on platforms like Twitter. Supporters argue that the timing of the allegations and the lack of immediate evidence raise significant doubts. Support for Jane Doe. Conversely, advocacy groups and individuals have expressed solidarity with Jane Doe. They argue that powerful men should not be above accountability, using hashtags like "Believe Survivors." The case has reignited debates about the treatment of survivors in high-profile cases and the role of social media in shaping public opinion. Challenges of historical cases. Legal experts highlight the difficulty of prosecuting decades-old cases, where evidence is often limited and memories may fade. However, they also emphasize the importance of allowing victims a chance to be heard. This case serves as a test of how the legal system balances these competing interests. Impact on celebrity defendants. For high-profile individuals like Jay-Z, such cases can have profound personal and professional consequences, regardless of the outcome. Stakes are not just legal, but also reputational, as public opinion can be shaped long before a verdict is reached. The legal battle between Jay-Z and Tony Buzbee is far from over. With both sides standing firm, the case has become a litmus test for how society balances justice for survivors with the rights of the accused. As more details emerge, this case will undoubtedly continue to spark heated debates, offering insights into the complexities of power, accountability, and the pursuit of truth in the modern world. What are your thoughts on this case? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses of stories that matter. Follow us on all social media platforms. Life Points with Rhonda for more updates. Thanks for joining me on Life Points with Rhonda. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more relationship tips and life advice. Looking for more in-depth conversations and exclusive content? Visit my website at lifepointswithrhonda.com. Discover insightful podcasts, blog posts, and resources that will help you build stronger relationships and improve your daily life. Join our community on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for daily inspiration and updates. And remember, every relationship starts with you. Let's make life better together.